Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a review on the new Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. And I have this shade 3W here today. We're going to be talking about this new release right here. I'm going to be giving you some deets, some product details, and how my experience is with this foundation and if it's worth the money. So if you want to know the tea, the deets, the details on this foundation, then let's get started. All right, so this is the foundation right here. It comes in a nice little squeeze bottle. When you open it up, there is a little dropper here, so you could go gloop gloop, or you could put it on the back of your hand or on your brush, whatever you like to do. Go ahead and do it. When you close it, it locks, so like that. I don't know if you heard that click, but it locks. So that's good. So that means that the product is secure. This is nice. I think it's cool for traveling. This is a plastic bottle right here. Pretty much what you do is you shake it up and then you just apply the foundation. The foundation is very liquidy and nice in consistency, but I'm going to talk about how I feel about the foundation, what my experiences are with this. So I have my phone right here. Okay, it's on autopilot. We are on Sephora.com and we have the deets right here for you. So I'm going to read it. So over here, it says the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. It has 1.6 fluid ounces, or it has 50 milliliters of product. So it has 40 shades for you right here. So a wide diversity, but as you can see, there is a sea of lightness and then a little bit of the dark colors and stuff. So I'm not really sure right here. It's kind of hard to tell on this, but let's talk about more the product and not so much the shades, even though I could say that the shade range is pretty diverse. So all right, go ahead, Dior. Anyways, so details, it says it is coverage medium, skin type sensitive, normal, dry, combination, oily. The finish is matte. And then what it is, a foundation for the face and body in 40 shades, redundant, not on my channel, with a natural matte finish and medium buildable full coverage that's waterproof and sweat resistant. So what y'all trying to say is that this is good for the runway, this is good for, you know, the face to stay on. I'm gonna be doing jumping jacks, I'm gonna be doing kickboxing, I'm gonna be doing bike riding up the hills and stuff with this foundation, and you're gonna tell me that it's not gonna come off? All right then, so it says what it does. Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation is the Dior makeup artist's secret weapon to create flawless, runway ready complexions for both the face and the body. All right, okay, flawless, come through flawless. Anyways, this waterproof formula fuses with the skin, resists extreme conditions like workout sessions, water, and even high temperatures and humid environments. Girl, it's like the end of the summer. It is like mid-September right now, going into late September, and it is still humid and hot here in the East Coast and stuff, and we got the hurricane and everything going on here. Or I don't know if it's already passed or not. We'll see when this video goes up, but it can also be used to camouflage minor imperfections on the neck, shoulders, legs, and anywhere else. Best of all, it's available in 40 shades with a natural matte finish. Y'all being redundant. I don't want this on my channel! What else do you need to know? A collection of makeup artist essentials designed to suit all skin tones, used at the Dior runway shows and inspired by the energy backstage. Enriched with beauty-enhancing pigments, the formula creates a perfect natural look, both in real life and through the lens of a camera. I better be looking real hot right now. We ain't shooting in 4K for nothing. Its natural finish and lightweight texture can also be used on the body, revealing the skin's radiance with camouflaging minor imperfections on the neck, shoulders, and legs. Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation also offers Dior's largest foundation shade range ever, with 40 beautiful shades made to suit all skin tones. Y'all don't stop talking about your shade range, I'm gonna fight you, and then I'm gonna commend you because I'm like, girl, thank you for diversity. All right, hashtag diversity. Anyways, this is how to use. Apply to face, light coverage, use your fingers and gently apply one layer of foundation and massage into face. Or medium coverage, apply additional foundation with a foundation brush from the center of the face outwards. Full perfection coverage is use a foundation brush and apply to 3 layers of foundation until desired coverage achieved. To apply to body, you can apply it using a large blending brush, beginning with a sheer application on the neck, arms, legs, and other areas of concern. Build up coverage by continuing to add product as needed, balancing out uneven skin tone and concealing imperfections. All right, I'm done reading now. I'm overdone reading. Let's talk about how I feel about this foundation. So I already talked about the packaging. It's nice, it's sweet, it's slim, okay? It's real cute and it's small. It's kind of like a little bit weighty. Does that make sense? I ain't trying to fat shame you, girl, but like it's got a good amount of product. I mean, it's normal. 1 fluid ounce is pretty normal for foundations and stuff. I like the packaging and stuff. It's super simple. You don't have any complications with a pump. You literally just, you know, squeeze it out, put it on, and you know, that's it. So what I can say about the consistency of this product right here is that it's nice, it's liquidy, so it does go on medium and it builds up to a full coverage like they said in the description of this product right here on Sephora.com. And you know, I can attest to that. I've been using this for a couple weeks now. I actually bought this product during the VIB, you know, the Beauty Insider sale and stuff, where they had it like randomly in like August, September or whatever. No, it was like September, beginning of September. Yeah, so I bought this product when they had the sale in the beginning of September and stuff, and I've been using it ever since I bought it. And this is a banger, okay? Preface this for later on. It is a banger, okay? It's a nice product right here. It's really lightweight. I really like when you got high pigment products and stuff, but the product isn't really cakey. So when you put this on, girl, you ain't gonna have cakey skin, okay? You could apply it with a brush, you could apply it with a beauty blender, anything like that, and it will blend out beautifully. So I've tried a brush before. This is the brush I used today. This is the Morphe blah blah blah. Don't understand, it came from a package or whatever. Use code yo daddy, yo mama, yo bald-headed granny, and you can save nothing off because it's not a code. And so like this, I use it, and what I do is just I pat it into the skin and then just start buffing and blending it out. And so not only does it kind of sheer it down a little bit, it's already pretty sheer as far as the consistency, but girl, this junk packs pigment. Anyway, that, or you can use like a beauty blender, or you could use a Real Techniques foundation sponge or whatever. So I think this product is really good. What I would say is, if you want to maximize the coverage of this product, put it on the skin first and then blend it out with your foundation brush or a sponge, and you will get the best out of this foundation. As far as what primers to use, honestly, I've tried this with and without foundation primers. I've been using the Fenty one for a while now. This is just a little sample I got right around the time I got this, and it works pretty well together, but honestly, you can use whatever. I've tried pore filling foundation primers, I've tried mattifying, I've tried hydrating, I've tried just moisturizer, I've tried just different kinds and stuff, and I find that this works with everything. It works with everything. It's so good. So I mean, we're just gonna cut to the chase. Is this Chab approved? It is Chab approved. Like I said, it's beautiful. I love it. It's nice, it's sweet, it's sassy, okay? Everything about it is beautiful. I have not tried it on the body at all because my body don't need that, okay? She looking fly on her own. She don't need all that. Like, I've never used it on the body, so I can't really tell you that. I only got one shade here. It is a pretty penny. I'll tell you that right now. $40 is expensive, okay? But if you have the money for it, go ahead and buy yourself this foundation right here. Now, what I can say, it is cheaper than the other foundation that I have from Dior, but this one right here, this is probably like the best. This is probably like holy grail status right now. I recommend that you try this out right away, because if you don't, then I mean, you're missing out. It's good. All right guys, so I highly recommend you go and try this foundation out, the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation right here. It is a banger. It is popping. It is good for you, for me, your mommy, your daddy, your bald-headed granny, okay? It is such a good foundation. It's definitely lightweight. It's good on the skin. It feels beautiful and it doesn't fall off. It stays on. It's sweat proof. Doesn't look cakey. Doesn't look gross. It's a natural matte finish. Definitely should try this out. Highly recommend. Go to your Sephora, go to anywhere that sells Dior, try this out. Even if you get like a little sample, and you will see for yourself. Hashtag not sponsor, hashtag you need to sponsor me. I got a pimp ring. I'll punch you in the face. No, I'm just kidding, I won't. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding hit that notification bell, because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. If y'all don't stop talking about your shade range, fly. Sorry. Oh, it already ready. Okay. Build up coverage by you could probably got this and this. It is a pretty penny, tell you right that. I got my pimp ring on, you can't tell me nothing.